Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to subscribe your favorite series on Webtoon. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Webtoon apps on your phone. And now just select the series. Here I'm gonna select Breast and Sass. And now you just have to tap the plus subscribe button at the top right of the episode list. And yeah, you'll receive push notification on your app whenever new episodes are updated. So you can check it at my icon at the bottom here. And now tap on the subscribed. So yeah, just it. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.